Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create cinematic light rays effect in Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop, then duplicate the image layer using Ctrl+J. Now go to the filter, select render and also select lightning effect. Choose spotlight from the options. Move the light source toward top corner, increase intensity slowly. Adjust cone size for soft rays, then press OK. Change blend mode of this layer to screen. Lower opacity to around 50%. Click add mask. Select brush tool. Use black color to remove light from subject face. Keep rays only in background. Zoom in and refine